Today we have some chicken and rice going on. So I'll show you the final outcome. I seasoned it with garlic powder, salt, pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro. Alright, see you in a moment. Alright, here's the final outcome. And so, we have a good side salad with some lettuce, romaine lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. Our riced cauliflower has onions in it, and we seasoned it up with some sea salt, black pepper, garlic and herb seasoning, cilantro, and our daring Cajun chicken pieces. We didn't add any seasoning, but of course you can always make a sauce if you'd like. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of liquid aminos to my salad and a little dab on my cauliflower. So, if you decide to make something similar, I hope you enjoy it. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.